is notes. So if I go to notes, I make a new note. Not only can I type on it, if I click on this marker in the bottom corner, I can draw on it too. So say your teacher's like, oh, you need to show me your work and you don't have a pen and paper, but you do have your iPad. You can write your stuff down over here. And then if say you needed to change the color with each individual step, you can do that. Say you messed up, you can erase it, or you can go backwards with the undo button. And then you could upload it. You can even add people to it. Say I want to make a new note, I just hit that top corner. I can add a table if I want. I can undo what I just did. Really, this is just an opportunity to have a sketch pad.